up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is dilylah.ferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? Today I am here with a beautiful bob that I got from Amazon. You guys, this hair is so pretty. It's giving vibes. You can purchase this hair if you're going back to school. You can purchase this hair for work. You can purchase this hair for just everyday errands. This hair is so easy to work with because it was pre-plucked, and it has a beautiful parting that was easy. You throw it on and you go. It's glueless, and the curls are so popping. Look at the cut in this hair, y'all. I did not cut this hair. This hair came with this cut, so it's given like a 90s type of bob. Just wanted to put you guys on to another beautiful bob. Let's get into this install, and yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and comment if you're feeling this hair. Alrighty guys, so Fashion Plus hair from Amazon came in a cute little bag. This is so cute, y'all. And then it had a wig cap. We love us a wig cap. And we have our 12-inch Bobo curly wig. Y'all, when I tell you this wig is fire, I always say that, but this wig, y'all, is actually very pretty. It's the cut for me, okay? It is very much big head friendly. I love that. And it's really short. I love me a bob. And then we have some clips in the inside, y'all. These clips come in handy because you don't want nobody snatching your wig or your wig falling off, so you're gonna want to use those. And then look at this lace, y'all. It's already pre-plucked, so it looks phenomenal. Like, look at that. Then I'm gonna use my canvas head, and I'm going to customize this to my liking. You guys, you can follow my steps and pluck your hair and really get your hair to look nice and crisp the way I do. You're gonna want to move the hair out the way, and would you look at this hairline? It looks so good, y'all. Then you're gonna want to pluck on the outer corners of the closure. This is a 4x4 closure, and this closure is so easy to work with. Then you're gonna want to wet the hair a little bit so that it can pluck easier. Alrighty guys, so I had to go get a more pointy tweezer because for you to get a crispy, neat party, you need a tweezer that's more pointy like this one, and it gives you so much more grip when you're pulling the hair. You guys, I must say this wig is already like pre-plucked, and it's really easy to work. As you can see the parting from jump. It's really easy to work. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit more so that, you know, it looks more natural, because that's just what we do on this channel. We try to look natural. Then you're gonna want to take your got2b glue. You can use any gel that you like for your natural hair. Push back those baby hairs so that when it's time to take off this wig, there's no hair falling out or getting snatched off. You want to push all of your baby hairs back because we want to protect our hairs. Then we're going to use the wig cap that it came with, and we're going to put on our wig. Like I said before, this wig is big head friendly, and that's why I'm showing you guys right here. Look how cute, you guys. It's the perfect length, and I am so loving it right here. Then I'm gonna take it off, and I'm going to tint my lace. You guys, this is the leg spray. I always use this spray right here. It works wonders, and it is my skin complexion. I will leave this exact leg spray in the description in the description box down below so that you guys can go purchase it if you like. And then we're gonna blow dry that on heat, you guys. Yes, heat. Ooh, try not to get your face. And when you blow dry it on heat, it also melts the lace and the tinting spray so that it can look nice and natural. Now we're gonna put it on, and y'all about to see how much skin is given. Okay, look at that scalp. It's given very much scalp, you guys. And don't worry about the little bit you get on the hair. A little bit of water, get that right out. Now we are going to glue down this bad boy. I'm using my Ebin New York freezing spray so that it can lay this lace. When I tell you this freezing spray works wonders, it does. Everyone been using it lately, and I hear a lot of good stuff about it, so I'll leave it also down in the description box below so you can go purchase it. And you guys, I'm gonna cut this out. Look how much it's giving scalp. Like, I can't even lie, this look like my scalp. Okay, so we're just gonna take our time and cut this out, and we're gonna customize our baby hairs. And now that I'm done with customizing my baby hair, it's really looking on point, y'all. 4x4 closures is just really that simple. With this beautiful wig, all you need is some conditioner or like some grease, especially water. All you really need is some water. You spray it right onto the hair and the hair curls up like it's no tomorrow, you guys. Like a natural hair. This hair is so bomb. It is giving straight out of your scalp. It's giving newborn baby curly hair. I love it so much. It was worth it, you guys. Now this hair is super affordable, and look at that. I'm showing you one side is curly and the other side was pretty dry, but y'all, this hair is so soft. I love it so much, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this styling and customizing on this 4x4 closure, you guys. I hope that you did like it and leave me a thumbs up because this hair is bomb. And don't forget to visit the description box down below to go purchase your own.
So I thought I had to let you know, find someone you can call your own, 'cause now you're walking in the day.